Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to check if an iPhone supports eSIM. For that, the first method that you can try to check is head over to Settings and tap on Mobile Service. Scroll down, and along with eSIMs, if it shows an Add eSIM button, it means that your iPhone supports an eSIM. The other thing that you can try is head over to General, tap on About, and scroll down to see if your iPhone has an eID. If your iPhone does have an eID, then it means that your iPhone supports an eSIM. The thing that you must check is head over to Settings, tap on General, tap on About, and check for Carrier Lock, and tap on Network Provider Lock, and make sure that look for Network Provider Lock, and make sure that it shows no SIM restrictions. If it shows no SIM restrictions, it means that your iPhone will support an eSIM. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.